Assalamualaikum students, hope you are all fine. Today we are going to learn about kinds of sentences. Assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences and exclamatory sentences. Assertive sentences. Assertive sentences are also called declarative sentences. It gives us information about anything. For example, books, people, beliefs, opinions, history, events, etc. These sentences are always ends with full stop. For example, I love teaching English. Look at the example. In this sentence, I am declaring something. I like the taste of pizza. This is a book. Assertive sentences are of two types: affirmative sentences, negative sentences. A sentence that states something is positive is called affirmative sentence. For example, I love teaching English. This sentence shows that something is positive. Negative sentences. A sentence that states that something is false is called negative sentences. For example, I don't love teaching English. We create negative sentences by adding the word not after the helping verb. For example, this is not a book. Interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are also called questions. These sentences are used to ask questions. These sentences are always ends with question mark. For example, what is your name? Look at the example. Here we are asking about the name of a person. Second, where are you from? Here we are asking about to someone that where he live. Third, imperative sentences. These sentences are used to make a request, to give a command, to give suggestion and to give advice to someone. For example, please give me your book. Request. Complete your homework now. Command. Hukam dena. Don't drink. Suggestion. 4. Work hard. Advise. Nasihat. Exclamatory sentences. These sentences are used to express strong emotions, surprise, joy, grief, etc. These sentences are always ends with exclamation sign. For example, this car is amazing. In this sentence, we are showing happiness. What a tall boy he is. In this sentence, we are surprised about the tall boy. Now students, let's move the exercise number B of chapter number 2. Identify the kinds of following sentences. First, art is another subject in which I am partially interested. Look at the example. Here I am declaring something positive. This is assertive. Second, what a beautiful painting. What a beautiful painting. In this sentence, we are surprised about the painting. When we see something very new, then our expression will be like this. Third, teach him to learn. Imperative sentences. Fourth, how would I know? Question mark. Interrogative sentences. Here we are asking a question. 5. She did not make a false statement. Negative sentences. This sentence states that something is false. Now students, practice the kinds of sentences at your homes. Goodbye, take care, Allah Hafiz.